Okay, so this is the last part, and this is where some of the real tax efficiency comes with regard to ETFs, and that's when we have to rebalance our portfolio. So when we have to rebalance our portfolio, let's just say that in the rebalance that we need to get rid of all of the red stocks that are in our ETF, and we need to replace all of the red stocks with all of the blue stocks that we want. And that's going to be effectively the definition of our rebalance here. We're going to get rid of the red ones and we want to get the blue ones. Well, the way that process works is through what's called custom in-kind creation redemption. We'll work with a market maker, a third party. We'll tell them that we're rebalancing and they need to deliver to us blue stocks to affect the change in the portfolio. And they'll create new shares one day that have all the blue stocks in them, and we'll put those in the portfolio. And then the very next day, the market maker themselves will request a redemption, and then us as the ETF company will send the red stocks back to replace the same dollar amount of blue stocks. And then the market maker then effectively sells those stocks in the market. Again, during that process, there was no action taken place inside of the ETF wrapper, no buys or sells directly by the ETF, and this is where a big part of the tax efficiency comes from. Now, we do one other thing before we do that little exchange. We can actually look in our portfolio and we can say which stocks we have that we have a loss on, and we can actually sell those to harvest those losses. And then we can sell other stocks at a gain. So we'll do a little buying and selling inside the ETF wrapper, but only to the extent that we create losses as opposed to gains. When we get to the point where we don't have any more losses that we can generate on our own, we'll go through that process of custom in-kind creation and redemption.